Chris, thank you for your time. Well, the weekend of March the 22nd, Wales are in Hampden Park, of course, and we wish you all the best there. But Cardiff and Swansea haven't got games that weekend, so the Corbett Sports Welsh Premier League have come up with the idea that if any fan who's got a season ticket shows that season ticket at the gate for any Welsh Premier League game, they can get entry for half price. So what do you think of that?
I think it's a great deal. I think, it's an opportunity to go and watch a Welsh Premier League game for £3.50 if you show your season ticket, any season ticket. I've seen quite a few Welsh League games myself this season. I went to see the final with Carmarthen and TNS at Newtown, which was a very entertaining game. Carmarthen won on penalties. This weekend on Sunday we've got Talbot hosting TNS, which should be a really good game. TNS are probably, in my opinion, the strongest team. Obviously winning it last year and in another good position this year. And then Carmarthen against Airbus and Llanelli are at Afan Lido. So it's a good weekend of football, especially in the South Wales area, in and around Swansea. So why not? Get out, watch a bit of football and support Welsh Premier League football.
You mentioned a few games there in the area of your former club Swansea. There are other games, of course, but the principle is the same. It's a bargain to watch some decent standard football.
Yeah, well, £3.50. I think obviously in the current climate times are hard, but if you think of some of the prices you have to pay to watch Premier League football, it's astronomical, some of the prices. Well, like I said, I've been quite impressed with some of the things I've seen in the Welsh League, and £3.50's got to be worth it. It's an afternoon out, bit of fresh air. You can catch a good game, some good talent on display, so get yourself down and support the local boys. And
on behalf of the Corbett Sports Welsh Premier League, we obviously wish you all the best up in Scotland as well.
Thank you.